how this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can fix your camera. If you see red light, it's blinking, it's disconnected with the internet. I have a Wi-Fi problem here. It's a rainy day, so here all my electronic device, the bulb and everything disconnected. This one as well. If I go inside my house, there another camera is the same problem. So this camera is the same problem. So in this case, if we go to the app, let me show you. So if I go to my apps, Tapo, go inside, and you see all the camera disconnected. I can't do anything. Whenever I put detail, if I go to detail, they not give me any option. So in this case, nothing else you can do. You have to disconnect, delete all the camera. I have 4 of them. I click this one and you see here remove button. Click the remove button. In this case, remove is done. Another one, the same, remove is done, and the last one as well, remove. Now we have to go up, climb to the camera. So we are here near to the cam. In this case, camera should be power on. Here you have 2 screws, you have to lose them, and you have a reset button underneath. So you see here, I take off the screw from here. At the bottom you have 1 button. You have to hold this button for 10 seconds till the light starts to blink. In case if you have a small nail, you can use a screwdriver. Let me press. You see here how 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. See, it's blinking more faster. I leave this one. Let's see. More lights you can see. You have to wait, be patient on that. Now it's green, that means we can connect. So let's go to the app. So we'll come to our app. In this case, we'll go to our Tapo application in the phone. Here we go. So in Tapo app already I fixed 2 of the camera. One I have to connect 1 more. Let's see, in this case at the corner I put tap, add a device, and we have to reconnect as we have done for the first time. Outdoor cameras. Here you see, let's see the model number C310. I click this one, set in wireless, hit next button, hit next button. As the light is blinking there, you can see red and green. This is in my garage. You see connect to the cam, hit this one. Check here the Wi-Fi and password is connected, hit next button. Check the password, Wi-Fi name is perfect, hit next button. Connecting to your network, it would talk. So it's saying connecting to the Wi-Fi here. Done. Now you can put a name for your camera. As this one is in my garage, so I put here garage. Garage, I hit next button. Here garage, next button. Garage, it's fine, his next button. Connecting, sounds good here. Dismiss, got it, got it. You should have obviously a memory card inside. I hit here garage. You see my car, I can see properly. So this camera is set. So this is the way you can fix your Tapo C310 security camera when it's blinking red, or how you can reset. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye bye.